broke your heart. I heard you say you don't love me. You're looking at me.
All I see is signs, all I see is dollar signs.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Venance aka Miss.Cameroon, and I am back with a new video. So I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I do this pineapple bun. This is like a natural hair tutorial. So the first thing I do is I'm just gonna go ahead and use my mixed oil, which is coconut oil, Jamaican black castor oil, and extra virgin oil. I just mix it together in a bottle and just apply that on my scalp and massage it, because you know my scalp is like extra dry. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add some moisture.
Let me be the one to set him free. I will give him every part of me. Put my heart where everyone can see.
Then I'm gonna go ahead and take my denim brush and just brush my hair out, just to remove like any knots that I have or I may have. Then I'm gonna go ahead and use my Got to Be glue in the black bottle. I like this better, so I'm gonna go ahead and basically just apply that on the back of my head and on the side. And I'm not adding too much, just a little bit, just to like put my head down a little bit. And then I'm not doing the front because you know the pineapple ponytail is going to cover the front of your hair, so you don't have to worry about the front. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair up in a high bun. I'm using 2 rubber bands, just the first one just to make it like tight, and then the second one just to make it a little bit tighter. I didn't want my hair to be like extra tight, because you don't need all that, because the pineapple bun or ponytail, it basically covers everything. Then this is the pineapple ponytail that I have. It is in color 2 because my hair is a color 2, and this is from OUTRE, and the style is Cutie. I like these curls because they're like they're not like super defined. So as you can see here, it has like a place where your bun can go. Then it has a drawstring and 3 combs. And this is how I apply it. So basically I just put it in my bun. Like, do you see like the little hole? I put my bun inside, then I clip the back and then pull the drawstring. You guys are gonna see how I do it. Pull the drawstring, then clip the front, and then clip the bangs. It's so easy. This style literally took me like 2 seconds. So if you're like in a rush, definitely try this hair. Like, it is super cute. Oh my god, look. Like this hairstyle is so cute. Like, I've never tried this before. Then I'm gonna go ahead and just like fix the front of my hair. Just fix it. You can do like a full bang, or you can do like a side bang. Then I'm gonna go ahead and do my baby hair. Just like, this is optional, you can do this if you want. And after that, I'm basically done. So yes, thank you so much for watching. I swear, like, this video was so quick, but I hope you guys enjoyed this. It was just like a quick tutorial. Make sure to like, share, comment, and I will definitely see you on my next video. Bye.